see it train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, walking the trail.
We had one of these at 2.5, 2008. Once upon a time. Good morning, welcome. We are in Los Angeles right now to Scare LA, which is an event at the LA Convention Center. It's kind of like in our new industry that we're trying out. Ooh, let's wander inside. Ooh. Let's wander inside. Hope you guys are okay with this.
This is our company.
The goal today is to find really cool technology we can integrate into the escape room. So bear with me, we're just gonna walk around, okay?
Okay. Hi.
Without feelings, without love, without hate.
This place is freaky. This place is freaky. Creepy.
I see it. Are you guys all together? Yeah.
Hey guys, we just finished Scare LA. Iris and I found some really good information about future tech for the escape space. I'm kind of interested in this. You guys are gonna have to wait for this.
Fucking me and Nikki kick that hole right through the door.
Anything you can handle.
We are now in downtown LA in Little Tokyo. Look at the Pikachu. What? These freaking bags are crazy. What?
Pikachu gummy bear?
The Pikachu gummy bear? Holy.
Super Mario too.
What? Oh, let me see. What is this? Oh my god. We're wandering in the Japanese village. It's actually pretty cool. Check a look. That's awesome. Japanese village. Side note, if you park in this structure behind me, this spot smells like poop.
And the parking spot's too small. You back it out like this.
Check out these XPs. Ooh, look at the Civic. That's nice. Oh, check this out, matte black. That's pretty badass.
Gonzalez also stands for the way Jeff Sessions was United
My way home, Iris is still with her parents. Aaliyah's over there also. I just have so much work I gotta do, so I decided to, you know, take off home and really get some work done.